Hi, my name is Simon Barrett with Silverline Tools. I'm here today to introduce the range of cargo securement. We're going to start with the cargo sling. Manufactured from a polyester, it is rated to 4,400 pounds. Each sling comes with its individual paper certification, which shows the do's and don'ts, as well as the date it was manufactured and its rating. That's also duplicated here on the sling with a stitched in certificate that shows the order number and then full traceability from the batch number. The products are by batch 100% tested, making sure that they meet the minimum requirements, and actually there's a safety factor of over 3 built into each one of the slings. You'll also note, to reduce the amount of abrasion that can happen in the eyes, we've got this additional stitched in reinforcement which prolongs life. And as a fun fact, they're actually manufactured in the same factory that builds seat belts for many of the national racing series, and in particular NASCAR. Also in the Securement range are our 25-inch and our 35-inch flat bungees. These are manufactured with a steel construction inside the hook, which is then coated in plastic. That reduces the amount of abrasion, but also increases the corrosion resistance. They have a woven plastic shell which coats and protects the rubber that's inside, and it prevents it against UV light, but also abrasion resistance. You'll also note that it doesn't emit any of those harmful chemicals that you can get in some rubber bungees. Finally, we also, though it's not rated, we do load test to over 40 kilograms for over 1 minute to make sure that all of the bungees conform. Finally, we have our ratchet tie-down range. Products range from 500 kilograms to 1,500 kilograms. Each one of the products is manufactured so it's weather resistant against UV. It has a stitched in information leaflet and contains a further information leaflet, which we do recommend you read and understand the correct application and setting up. The polycotton is also stitched and reinforced for extra strength. They're 100% batch tested to make sure that they comply to all of the safety requirements, braking strains that are part of the design. They have an operating temperature between minus 40 degrees plus 80 degrees. What will follow now is a short presentation on how to set up, tighten and release a ratchet tie-down strap. So correct operation of the ratchet strap is important to make sure you get the maximum amount of load, but also your load is secured and is safe. So once you've attached both ends of the ratchet strap, the handle should be in this open position and the slot in the center here facing towards you. You can then take the webbing, feed that up through the ratchet strap and then back over on itself, taking up the slack in the webbing. Then as you begin to ratchet, the material will wrap itself over on itself and grip. As you then apply the pressure that you need, then return the actual handle back into that position. You can then secure any excess material that you've got. To release the load on the ratchet, simply pull back on this handle. This will override the ratchet and will allow the pressure to come off the webbing and then free to then be pulled out of the ratchet strap again, like that.